Have you ever wondered how you can make money with generative pre-trained transformers or GPTs? These are advanced artificial intelligence models capable of understanding and generating human-like text. They're revolutionizing various industries and opening up unique opportunities for income generation. In this video, we are going to explore 10 ways you can utilize these fascinating AI tools to your advantage, from content creation to customer service, and even interactive entertainment. Stay tuned to find out how you can leverage these advanced AI models to generate income. First off, consider offering content creation services. Generative pre-trained transformers or GPTs can churn out high-quality written material for a variety of platforms. Whether it's a blog post, website copy, or even an article for a publication, GPTs can handle it with finesse. This not only saves valuable time but also frees up resources, allowing content creators to focus on other important aspects of their work. In summary, GPTs can be a valuable tool for content creators, saving time and enhancing the quality of output. Next up, let's look at chatbots and customer service. Imagine developing intelligent chatbots for businesses. These bots, powered by generative pre-trained transformers, can handle customer inquiries, bookings, and information requests with ease. They deliver quick conversational responses, greatly improving customer engagement. Plus, they lighten the load on human staff, making operations more efficient. Picture the possibilities. Customers getting instant, accurate responses, and businesses growing their reach and reputation. By developing chatbots with GPTs, you can provide businesses with a valuable tool for customer engagement. The third way to make money with GPTs is through language translation services. Imagine offering top-notch translations across a variety of languages, all at the click of a button. Businesses aiming to spread their wings internationally or looking to cater to multilingual communities would find this invaluable. With some fine-tuning, GPTs can serve as your powerful linguistic tool, bridging language gaps and fostering global connections. In essence, GPTs can be your passport to providing high-quality translation services. The fourth way involves creating educational tools and platforms. Imagine a tutor that's available 24/7, ready to answer questions and assist with learning new concepts. That's what GPTs can provide. They can be programmed to offer tutoring in a wide array of subjects, from language learning to history and even programming. The potential for personalized learning is immense. So if you're passionate about education, GPTs can be a game changer. The fifth way to earn money with GPTs falls in the realm of SEO and digital marketing. Imagine harnessing the power of GPTs to generate SEO-friendly content tailored to your specific needs, or even better, devising innovative marketing strategies based on AI insights. But that's not all. You can automate aspects of your digital marketing campaigns, like email sequences or social media posts, freeing up valuable time. In essence, GPTs can be a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. The sixth way involves offering coding and development assistance. Imagine a world where GPTs assist programmers by generating code snippets. They can also explain complex programming concepts in a digestible manner. But it doesn't stop there. GPTs can even debug code, pointing out errors and suggesting fixes. This not only speeds up the development process but also serves as a valuable learning tool. So, if you're a coder, GPTs can be your best friend. The seventh way to make money with GPTs involves creative writing and script writing. Imagine this. You're working on a novel, a script, or an advertising copy, and you hit a wall. What if you could turn to an AI assistant for help? That's where GPTs come in. They can generate ideas, help you overcome writer's block, and even assist in shaping your narrative. However, remember that the human touch is irreplaceable for nuanced creative work. In conclusion, GPTs can be a great tool for breaking through writer's block. The eighth way involves data analysis and reporting. Now picture a world where generative pre-trained transformers or GPTs take up the heavy lifting in data analysis. They interpret complex datasets, transforming them into comprehensive reports. Businesses in market research, scientific research, or finance can particularly benefit from this. Imagine the time saved and the insightful narratives that could be drawn from your data. In summary, GPTs can be a valuable tool for any data professional. The ninth way involves developing interactive entertainment experiences. Imagine creating games or interactive stories where generative pre-trained transformers take the lead role in driving the narrative or engaging in conversation with users. These AI models can generate dynamic and unpredictable storylines, adding an exciting new dimension to the world of gaming and storytelling. They can respond to user input in real time, creating a truly immersive and personalized experience. In essence, GPTs can pave the way for unique and personalized entertainment experiences. Finally, the 10th way involves creating AI personal assistants. These are not your ordinary run-of-the-mill assistants, no, they are powered by generative, pre-trained transformers. Imagine having an assistant that can flawlessly manage your schedules, send timely reminders, draft articulate messages, and even perform thorough web research. All these tasks performed with the precision and speed only a machine can offer. In conclusion, GPTs can be the backbone of efficient and effective personal assistant applications. These are just 10 ways you can make money with GPTs. From content creation to customer service, language translation to education, the possibilities with GPTs are vast. They offer opportunities in digital marketing, coding, creative writing, data analysis, interactive entertainment, and personal assistance. But as we embrace the potential of these technologies, let's not forget the ethical considerations. As we charge forward, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI. Remember, the future of AI is bright, and with GPTs, you can be a part of shaping that future.